Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about RDC. It means rotating disc conductor. First, what is meant by RDC? Rotating disc conductor. Rotating disc conductor, which are used for a liquid-liquid extraction process. They are usually used to remove the impurities from a liquid mixture. What is meant by extraction? Extraction used to remove the impurities by adding of a liquid or solvent. What's meant by a liquid-liquid extraction is by adding of a liquid to remove the impurities due to their density is known as a liquid-liquid extraction. Let us look at the parts of RTC. We have a top, we have a motor, and right side we have an heavy fuel inlet, heavy liquid. On the other side we have an light fuel outlet, and we have a impeller at the center which will rotate, and we have another side we have an outlet of heavy feed, and on the opposite side we have an inlet of light fluid. Let us look at the working of RDC. Let us discuss about the working of rotating disc conductor. The heavy liquid is input in the column from the upper section of the column. As I said earlier, I showed that the heavier liquid is in upper section, and the light liquid is input in the column from the lower portion of the column, which which I talked about the previous slide. The light heavier liquid portion will be in upper side, and lighter liquid inlet will be in a downward side. Due to the difference in the density, as we know, the compared to the heavier and lighter, the density will be various from it. So the heavier liquid falls from the upper section of the column due to the effect of gravity, and in the process, it displays an equal volume of a lighter liquid as well. Now, when I import the heavier liquid at the top and lighter liquid at the bottom, due to the gravitation force, it comes down, and the lighter liquid portion will be goes up due to their density, as I shown, at the equal volume as well. The effect of agitation inside the column due to the rotation of shaft increases the rate of mass transfer of the component. As I shown, we have a center impeller which will rotate at stage by stage, which imposes the portion to separation of a liquid and a mass transfer of the component. The diameter of the disc is 30% to 66% of the column of the diameter. I mean, it will cover 30 to 33% to the 66% of the column, which will improve the mass transfer of the liquid component as well. And recommended height of the column of the diameter will be of a 2 meter to 200 to 300 millimeter height will be recommended for the process. RTC is known as a rotating disc conductor. It also known as a disc extractor or a disc conductor, or used in a various liquid extraction and the separation process for various industries. These are the few application used for RDC. Mainly, it is used for metal extraction. RDC are employed in extraction of metals from ores or solutions. Basically, to remove the impurities from metal solutions, which will present a few metals. To purify on the separation of metals, mainly RDC used for metal extraction process, and it also used in a chemical solvent extraction for separation and purification of chemicals, and even it used for pharmaceutical industries for drug purification and extraction and pharmaceutical intermediates from various liquid mixture as well. Even it used in oil and gas industries for petroleum refining for extraction of specific hydrocarbon or impurities from process streams. It basically tells about a petroleum to extract a few chemical components from it. Mainly RDC used for the oil and gas industries as well, to contributing to the product quality as well. Let us see the few advantages of RDC. Rotating disc conductor provide efficient mass transfer between the immiscible liquid phase, enhancing the separation and extraction of a component. Immiscible liquid means a liquid won't mix with another liquid is known as immiscible liquids. They allow a continuous liquid-liquid extraction process to provide a steady and constant output. Basically, it helps for a very larger productions of a company will use RDC for continuous processing. The RDC have a compact design, make them suitable for installation as well. Basically for smaller industries, they won't be provide a very big area. For the it is used for very compact size, which will be easy for installation of very small scale industries as well. It minimizes the residence time of the liquid phase. As I said earlier, it is a very time saving process. It creates a high turbulence at the liquid-liquid interface, enhancing a mass transfer and separation due to the high turbulence, which increases the liquid-liquid interface, enhancing the mass transfer as well and the separation. It can handle a wide range of feedstock composition and ad- adaptable to the various liquid-liquid extraction process. As I said earlier, it is used for a various industries range for a feedstock, which is adaptable for a various liquid-liquid extraction process. It means very different kinds of liquid. It can easily separation and purification of the component. Compared to other extraction method, Odyssey may have a lower energy consumption, contributing to the low to a cost saving. For very small scale industries, they can provide much energy for the process to run. To compare to them, it is very cost saving and profitable for the process and the company as well. Let us look at the advantages of RDC. It is a complex design with moving parts which may increase the maintenance and requirements. As I said earlier, it has a moving part at the center, moving of impeller. It requires more maintenance. Next, material selection is crucial to ensure the compatibility with the corrosive or abrasive nature of a certain liquid. While construction, we need to be of selecting a material. We need to withstand of a metal, how it's reacting with the abrasive or corrosive nature of chemicals or liquids. Next, fouling on a rotating disc may occur affecting the mass transfer efficiency and requiring a regular cleaning. In a previous point, I said about a regular cleaning for a rotation disc. It says the same as well. It will affect the mass transfer efficiency. Need to be cleaning regularly to affect the fouling of a rotating disc. Next, it can handle a limited solid. If it is high, it may face some challenges in the processing. Due to their complex design, it will handle a limited solid for the process. If it is high, it may face some challenges in the rotation of impeller or going in inlet or outlet. It faces some challenges. And next, the last point, it can affect by a temperature variation in a process. Due to reaction of two liquid, it will have a different kinds of temperature. For that, it has will faces some challenges for the various temperature in a single process. It may face some challenges. So that's all about the disadvantages of RDC. And that's all about rotating disk conductor. Thanks for watching this.